Hey, how are you peoples? So my friend Melanie from France in season invited me over for a road trip, and together we just jumped in the car and went all the way to Normandy, but it's only 3 hours away, to visit this house, the house of an old friend that sadly passed and was being emptied. The antiquaires been there already and took the valuables, and the rest of the house was going to be cleared to go to the charity shops. So we got there first. Hi, my name is Oscar. That is my husband Jack, and these are our 3 awesome little boys. This is our family home, a little piece of heaven in the French Loire Valley.
We moved to Belebat in the summer of 2017. Since then, we've been restoring this beautiful 16th century property that once belonged to a real musketeer.
Welcome everyone, welcome to France, welcome to the Loire Valley, and welcome to our beautiful country life. This is us, and we are becoming Belebat. Thank you so much for taking me.
Pleasure.
Mamma.
Thanks for coming. What an adventure.
What an adventure.
Can you go with this?
That's
If that really is old, then that's like the old version of something very good.
something very nice.
Yeah.
That we paid €5.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Thank you, go. Ciao.
La damnation de Faust d'Hector Berlioz. Joyce Di Donato était accompagné par l'orchestre de l'Opéra de Lyon dirigé.
I have the car packed. There was nothing left. Well, yes, there were books and magazines that I would have loved to have, but we didn't have time. They needed to close the house, and that was it. So all I did at the very last minute was to grab this beautiful wool scarf that I'm now wearing because it was freezing over there, and park the car. And now here I am driving home. I cannot wait to show you what I got, and I cannot wait for Christmas so I can show you what Melanie actually had. She got a lot of Christmas decoration. There was enough Christmas decoration in that house for the entire Belebat, all the houses, including the chateau. We divided into 2 and we sorted the things that we really wanted to use, and the rest of the charity went. Let me get home. I'm like 20 minutes away, and I'll show you where I go. Good morning. It's time to tackle this mess. Well, okay, there is a lot more than I thought it was, and I need all day here. There's a lot to sort, but I couldn't wait to show you. Okay, where do we start? Where do we begin with this mess? Well, when we went there, we went for 2 things: fabrics and Christmas ornaments. That was the main reason we were invited to the house, right? Look at this. This is a beautiful tweed. This is beautiful wool. This is just gorgeous. Isn't this perfect for this house? And then I found this. How sweet is this? This is just perfect. And then the greens. The greens are amazing. Wool, brocade, and more wool. This is beautiful. And this, the end. Look at this, guys. This is just, shame is very little. It's just too pretty. I see this like in a bedroom in the chateau. I found these 2 frames. They're not big, but the little cherubs are super sweet. These glasses, they're thick, cheap glass, but
they will photograph so well on a summer table that I'm going to take it straight to the water tower, and they will be there waiting for next summer. This is stunning, super pretty. Some delf, cannot have enough of that. A few little books, and this, look guys, look at this. These are curtain rings, right? But how beautiful. They're made of brass, like very thin brass, and just stunning. I'm going to use this as napkin holders. I think that's beautiful. And I've got loads of them. Candles, candles, and more candles. And that right there, those are finials. They are wooden finials from bedpost or curtain rod or staircases, you know, at the end. So loads of them that I'm going to just keep it like that in a basket. And these are also little curtain rods and thingy in brass. I like it just like that. So I don't know, I might find a little bowl of something and put them there. Those two obelisks came with the bundles that I put together with this, and this is gorgeous. Found these two beautiful plates that will go on the blue wall in the barn. These little plates for planters. And look at this little jardiniere. How stunning is this? I think it's just super pretty. Okay, now I found two things that are my favorite, my ultimate favorite. One of them is this bowl. It's an Italian bowl that is just perfect. I saw it as soon as we walked into the petit salon of the house, and I couldn't resist. So I had to buy. So this is one of my favorite pieces that we got. And this is the other one. This is the sweetest chandelier ever. Look at those porcelain roses. And the patina in the brass is super beautiful. It's a bit very feminine, but it will still go great in the gatehouse. The only thing that I'm super against of are these flowers. I'm against of fake plastic flowers, but I don't know, I had to bring them. So I'm going to do something with it. And then I brought these other ones just to, I don't know, I saw this and thought, Christmas is coming. And speaking of Christmas, ta-da! These wreaths are so pretty with these little berries. Then this is ready to go. Nothing for me to do here, maybe add a bow there somewhere. Look at this. How cute is this? I'm going to clean it and use it for one of my mantelpieces. Maybe on the mantelpiece on the dining room of the chateau. Also, there is this lady here. Look at that expression. I could not say no to this. So I brought her to Belebat. Christmas lights, these beaded Christmas lights, and then bubbles, which gave me an idea to have one of the houses will be all copper and pink and orange, and the other will be all blue and dusted pink, and a third one will be green, and the green one will have this beautiful fruit, these pears. Look at this pear, is stunning. All right, so now it's time for me to tackle this mess, sort things, group things, find a home for them, and carry on with the real work. Thank you for being there. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell that is somewhere in there so you don't miss any of our coming videos, and see you soon. Bye.